Embark on the creation of a delightful cheesecake, a culinary journey that promises a symphony of creamy richness and sweet indulgence. 1. Preparing the crust. Begin by crafting the foundation, the graham cracker crust. A combination of graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and a touch of granulated sugar creates the perfect balance of sweetness and crunch. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan, forming a base that will cradle the decadent cheesecake filling. 2. Crafting the cheesecake filling. Enter the heart of the creation, the creamy filling. In a spacious mixing bowl, whip together softened cream cheese until it achieves a smooth, velvety consistency. Introduce granulated sugar and vanilla extract into the mix, blending until the flavors harmonize into a delectable symphony. Gradually add eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before moving on. This meticulous process yields a texture that is both luscious and airy. The finale involves the addition of sour cream and heavy cream, elements that contribute to the cheesecake's divine smoothness. 3. Baking the masterpiece. Pour this exquisite cream cheese amalgamation onto the prepared crust, using a spatula to ensure an even surface. Allow this culinary masterpiece to bake in a preheated oven until the edges are set, and a gentle jiggle in the center hints at the luxurious texture within. A strategic cool-down within the oven after baking minimizes the risk of unsightly cracks on the surface, ensuring a flawless finish. 4. Chill and garnish. The journey doesn't end with baking. Transport the cheesecake to the cool embrace of the refrigerator for an extended chill, a process that enhances the flavors and solidifies the dreamy texture. Before presentation, a final touch of elegance awaits. Optionally, crown your creation with fresh berries or a decadent fruit compote, adding a burst of color and an extra layer of flavor. 5. Savor the symphony. As you slice into this culinary symphony, each forkful promises a sensory experience. The velvety smoothness of the cream cheese filling, the satisfying crunch of the graham cracker crust, and the delightful interplay of flavors converge to create a memorable indulgence. Embark on this journey, and relish in the creation of a cheesecake that transcends the ordinary, a sweet masterpiece that invites you to savor every moment. Happy indulging!